reality that a lot of the youngsters are growing up with is far removed from the reality that our parents grew up in. They grew up in a country where being Somali was the norm. We're growing up in a space and a society where being Somali is not the norm.
Somali, like the concept of it is problematic because for some people it might mean like that connection, but others it might mean marginalisation.
There is deep layers of racism of people that really are Somali, believe themselves to be Somali, but here you are looking at them and saying, well, you don't really look Somali.
It is a modern phenomenon that we have a Somali that is affixed to a certain look, to a certain background.
Your identity crises here are for different reasons. They've got nothing to do with you being Somali.
How do we sort of balance being British, Muslim, Somali, African? So how do we balance all of that?
Rather than saying, how do I face all of these different identities? How do I make sense of them? What we should do really is say, look at all that I've gone through.